Happy Veganuary, day 24. Today we're making Vegan Haggis. We have been serving this every January 25th for Robbie Burns Day since I was little. I'm also 1/8 Scottish. Thanks, Grandma. And Robbie Burns is the national poet of Scotland. Soak 125 milliliters of red lentils and 60 milliliters of red chili beans overnight or at the start of the day. When you're ready to start cooking, change the water and boil for 10 minutes. Then simmer for 1 hour. Heat 30 milliliters of butter in a saucepan over medium heat. And cook 2 finely chopped medium onions for 5 minutes until tender. Mix in 4 small grated carrots and 20 fresh finely chopped mushrooms. And continue cooking for 5 minutes. Blend 80 milliliters of sunflower seeds and 60 milliliters of pumpkin seeds in a food processor. The lentils are in here and we're gonna stir in our cooked mixture. Stir in a liter of vegetable stock, the ground seeds, 30 milliliters of soy sauce, 30 milliliters of lemon juice, season with 1 sprig of fresh thyme and rosemary. You can use dried if you don't have fresh. 1 milliliter of cayenne pepper and 15 milliliters of mixed spice. And then bring to a boil. Then wash this. Once it's come to a boil, reduce heat to low and simmer for 10 minutes. Mix 30 milliliters of flax seed, I'm too short to reach it, with 90 milliliters of water and let it sit for 10 minutes. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Line a loaf tin with compostable parchment paper. Stir the chia mixture into the saucepan. Stir in 500 grams of oats. Cover and simmer for 20 minutes. Transfer the mixture to a loaf tin. Bake for 30 minutes until firm. This actually makes enough for 2. While that's cooking, we're gonna make the mashed potatoes and turnip, which are called neeps and taties. Cook 5 large potatoes and 5 small turnips. Now we're gonna cook them for 20 minutes with oat milk and vegan butter and rosemary. All right, let's try it. That's really good. The haggis tastes amazing. Happy Robbie Burns Day. Bye.